unboxing. There was a lot of wrapping. Okay, I'm going to open this. Partly coming out. One hand, y'all. Okay. So I have been putting it down when I need two hands. Danessa Myricks Beauty. And I'm not quite sure. Oh, this is probably so you can... It's probably some kind of a carry case, I think. Well, anyway, let's get into the good stuff. Danessa Myricks Beauty. Got to open that too now. So it's got this plastic over it, and it was in a little sheet. Has the plastic over it. I might take that off too. So it came in a little sheet and this stuff, and pull that away. Everything's upside down. Is that back to front? Duh. Alright. Okay, so you've got all the beautiful shades. And oh my god, they're so beautiful in person. This camera does definitely not do it justice. I believe you can separate this from what I've seen and put this cover over one of them and then just take one of these three with you. Which is probably also why we have this little guy. Perfect. Yeah, you definitely won't fit the big one in there, but you can fit the little ones in there. Okay, so let's unpack this. I'm so excited to unpack this. So there's your cute little coppery cover. You can just pop down there, or take that off. Uno momento. That's a mirror too, by the way. And it is a gorgeous, gorgeous rosy goldy color. Take the whole thing with you, or just take part of it. Now, I don't think swatches are going to turn up too well, so that you can see that you can actually take these out. Or I can't do this with one hand, I swear. Hang on. There we go. And yeah, I am going to have so much fun using these gorgeous colors. We've got some greens and golds. Beautiful. Pinky maroons. Over here we've got more greens, maybe a bronze there. And in this one, taking that lid off, blues, and some sort of, I think that's maybe a lighter blue on the left there. It could be it's almost a silver actually. It's really, like I said, it's not really going to show up on camera that well. This is a type of gold. So we've got a silver and a gold, left silver, right gold, pewter, and a black, as well as light blue, and a royal blue. So a baby blue and a royal blue, very glittery. I'm told when you put them on, they're very like a foil or a sort of shimmer duochrome from what I've seen, and I can't wait to use it. There you go.